What's going on, guys? Markie from the YouTube channel online certification course here. I got a tutorial I put together in regards to how to put on a successful event. They open up the floodgates, people back out there mingling. So let's go ahead and give them these good events that we used to get into, all right? So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, comment below as what you would like to get certified in. I could personally send you a link also to check out. So let's get into it and also check out my new intro.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Come and learn the step-by-step process of creating and producing great events. Do you run events and want to get better return on your time, effort, and money investment? Are you serious about becoming a super effective event planner? If so, this course is for you. Who doesn't love a good event, from festivals and conferences to food and craft fairs to parties and celebrations? Events are also a tried and tested method for businesses and organizations to market themselves and generate sales. What's going on? This is Markie and welcome to my channel, online certification courses. Enjoy the tutorial. Any links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Subscribe so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Please comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's jump into this. This is a high content course on how to organize successful events. You'll get clear, logical, easy to follow advice that you can implement right away. Many event planners have had no formal event management training at all, so this course will give you a proven 7-step process to help you effectively structure your future event planning and, of course, help turn you into a confident and skilled event professional. And only then you'll be able to tackle bigger events. In this course, you will learn to lead, motivate, and brief your event day team. Obtain feedback and evaluate the effect of your event. Design events your customers or visitors actually want using objectives, settings to guide your event planning. Create and design an event that excites. Effectively project plans and budgets your event. Select contract and work with great contractors and suppliers. Search, evaluate, select, and site plan your perfect venue. And also design a great event program that delivers excitement and change. The course curriculum will start off with an introduction to the world of event management. Here you will learn the many different types of events and style of events there are. The purpose of creating the event, what you need to do during the pre-event marketing stage. Here the course will even talk about some of the free market research techniques that exist, and then move on to explain how you might conduct an event survey. You will learn the importance of setting an event aim and the absolute need to have a very clear idea of who is likely to be interested in attending or participating in your event. We'll call it your audience profile, something that big companies and service providers have been doing for a long time. With the finding of your research in hand and a clear idea why and who you are running your event for, you can now decide based on this evidence what type of event you should be organizing. Presentation is everything, so this lecture is going to be chopped up in 4 parts. The first lecture is all about how you design an event for a particular audience, and then move on to a whole range of event design ideas. Once you have generated lots of ideas, you need a system for evaluating which ones you'll take forward, so you will be given a 4-step process you can use to evaluate your ideas against. You will learn designing the event, setting the event date, explaining how to create an event brief and set those all-important event objectives into place. After you have the above down packed, another important thing you will learn is location, location, location. You will learn how you go about evaluating indoor and outdoor events, spaces, and once you have agreed on your venue, you will then plan and design your event site. In other words, event site planning. You will get a summary of key points in regards to promotion. Promoting your event, you will learn how to design posters or e-flyer invitations. If you run your promotion through websites, there will be a course curriculum that will cover that as well. The online course will show you an example of event promotional plan and what it entails. Also, how to use search engine to get your event notice online. To top it all off, you will also get high quality course materials, which include a 30+ page reference material pack with additional materials, a course workbook and activities, various event planning templates so you don't have to create your own. You'll get access to the 7-step event planning process. Many thanks for taking some time to check out my tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Please comment below, done, and I will reply back to you. You can also check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have a page, online certification you can check out, follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well that's floating around here on the screen. Once again, many thanks. Markie Williams, and I'm out.